Okay everybody, welcome. We've got a treat for you today. This is a quick video over of the ASG Ashbury ASW338 LM Airsoft sniper rifle. It's a spring powered sniper rifle. It's very new to the market. It's very cool looking. Right, before we begin, a couple of people might say this looks like the MSR from Call of Duty. It's not. MSR is made by Remington. This is made by Ashbury. Two separate companies, but yeah, there are some similarities with the looks. Right, to begin with, this weapon comes with its own hard custom case. You can see it there. It's foam lining in the middle. The main body goes in this section. Stock detaches and goes in that bit. The bipod that would come with this weapon, not included, sold separately, goes in there. Silencer goes in that section, also not included. Okay. The gun itself is 810mm long with the stock collapsed to the side. It's 1060mm with it in this current configuration. Weighs about 5 kilograms with everything on it. Takes 6mm BBs, magazine holds 40 rounds. Material, it's all metal and nylon fibre, CNC'd aluminium, and the front handguard on there does have carbon fibre beneath it. Comes out the box doing about 394 feet per second on 0.20 gram BBs, but there are a multitude of upgrade parts to take this thing up to and beyond 500 if you so wish. Internally it's all VSR10 compatible, so you can look at that two ways. You can say, well, why would you spend the money on a VSR and essentially a body kit? Or you can say, fantastic, I've got a very, very good solid sniper rifle that's got a lot of upgrade parts on the market already. So, two ways of looking at it. The scope, this is the scope that they kind of recommend with the weapon. For me, it came with it because I pre-ordered it from Land Warrior. It is a Strike Systems 3.5 to 10 by 50 red-green illuminated mil dot. Fantastic scope. Also comes with two scope cover and comes with the 30mm mounts as standard. The bipod on the front of this isn't the one that's recommended to go with it. This is one I had lying around. There is a silencer that goes on the end. It takes a custom silencer because this thread here is 28mm. I believe you can unscrew this whole flash hider and install another one if you so wish. The stock is fully adjustable. We have a adjustable monopod. We have adjustable vertical recoil pad, length of pull, and cheek riser. The stock folds to the side, on that side, push that button in and the thing comes round. It's a spring powered bolt action, so obviously pull that up, pull it back, load it down, you're ready to go. Safety is here. Also, pistol grip can be moved forward and backwards, and the angle of this can also be changed. All in all, it's a solid piece of kit, well worth the money, some might say. The barrel is about 420mm long with no silencer on it, and that's a 6.04mm out the factory. There are 6.03mm available as aftermarket upgrades, and if you put the silencer on the end you can extend that barrel to, I believe, about 520mm. But of course if you do that it will no longer fit in the case. Also, when it's in the case, a little bit annoying, you've got to take the scope off and disassemble it. So yeah, if you want to keep a silencer on and a longer barrel, you will need a separate case. That's all. The body is all metal aluminium. We've got a couple of markings on it. We've got ASG here, hopefully you can see it on the camera. You've got Ashbury, Asymmetric Warrior, and a trademark. You've also got a marking here, and there's a few on the other side as well. Okay. All in all, very good gun. This is only a quick review. Hopefully I'll get a much more detailed one on my channel at some other point. So for the moment, if you've got any questions, post them in the comments and I'll try and answer them. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Please rate the video, helps a lot, and goodbye.